If you could generate £10,000 entirely tax-free every year, what would this mean for you? Now that you're thinking about it, let me explain how this could become your reality. You may have heard of an individual savings account, otherwise known as an ISA. For most clients, this is a vital tool regardless of your age. This is because of the generous tax benefits offered, whereby any income or capital growth generated from an ISA can be enjoyed entirely tax-free, whether that's paid into the ISA or paid out to you personally. You can have a cash ISA, a stocks and shares ISA, or a blend of both, but the maximum amount you can put into an ISA every tax year is £20,000, and that's per person. If this isn't used in the tax year, it is lost, and therefore using your allowances every year can be extremely beneficial over the longer term. ISAs can be extremely flexible and are accessible for anybody over the age of 18 at any point, depending on the underlying investment, making them a great savings pot. If you have a cash ISA or a stocks and shares ISA, these can be transferred to another ISA that you may hold and can be reinvested as you see fit. Coming back to the initial question of what $10,000 tax-free income would mean for you, maybe this would fund school fees, a family holiday, or could even allow you to draw less taxable income from your pension. However this would benefit you, an individual would need to build an ISA pot of around $200,000 in order to generate £10,000 tax-free a year, assuming a 5% net return each year. With an allowance of £20,000 a year, and assuming you started your ISA journey now, you could build a £200,000 ISA pot in just over 8 years. That's assuming a 5% net return reinvested each year. For couples, if you both use your individual ISA allowances each year, you could build a total of £200,000 in ISAs, so £100,000 each, in around 5 years' time, again assuming a 5% net return reinvested each year. As you can see, using your ISA allowances each year and having the right investment within your ISA, whether cash or stocks and shares or a blend of both, is extremely important in building a pot which can in turn pay a large amount of tax-free income each year. Of course, each individual is different, therefore the size of pot required will vary. The good news is that there is no limit on how much you can hold in an ISA, which has meant that some people are now ISA millionaires. We'll cover more on the secrets of becoming an ISA millionaire in this series of videos. ISAs are not normally inheritance tax free. This means they will form part of your estate and could be subject to inheritance tax. However, ISAs can become exempt with certain types of investments. As with all investments, capital is at risk, and we would always recommend you speak with your financial advisor for further advice. With ISAs, rules do apply and can change. Join me on our next video to find out how you can use your ISAs to unlock a tax-efficient income.